What's going on today, family? I want to take you on a tour of this Grayson floor plan. Now, the community I'm in is in Mint Hill. It is Heron Creek by Meritage Homes. This floor plan is just under 2,100 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 full baths, and it does have a flex space. When you first come in, you have this Jack and Jill bedroom. We're going in bedroom number 1. Now we're about to head into bedroom number 2. If you're buying or selling real estate here in the Carolinas, be sure to reach out to my team and you can download our app. Our app is ready to be viewed as far as searching homes, having conversations with my team and I directly on the app. It's a one-stop shop. The app name is the Harrison Group, and the icon when you search in your app store is on the screen right now. A link to the app will be in the description as well. Now we're in the flex room. You can use this as a secondary living room, an office space. Now the Harrison Group app is unlike any other app out there. Yes, you can search for homes throughout the Carolinas on the app, but what I love about the app is that it's truly a resource, an extension of what I plan to do with our company as far as being a resource to the community, because you can search on the app for different vendors for whatever you want. You need a contractor, you need a plumber, you need an inspector, a lawyer. You can just search our app. We are your go-to when you're trying to live, work, eat, and play right here in the Carolinas. Take a look at the living area. We just saw the screened-in porch. Now let's go into the owner's suite. Now, pricing for this floor plan right now is just under $496,000. Again, this is located in Mint Hill. You have 4 sides brick, which is very rare here in the Charlotte area to get a home, a ranch style home, 4 sides brick. And the finishes in this home are very beautiful. Please download the app, contact us. We'd love to hear from you. And we want to be your resource when you're thinking about moving to the Carolinas. I'm Sir Ashley. I will talk to you soon.